Alright guys, let's do something different today. We are changing the impeller and water pump using some genuine OEM Yamaha stuff. This is out of my 20 horsepower outboard. Have I ever done some of this? Hells no! So we're about to learn. First thing we're going to do is going to take off this little fucking doohickey here. Oh yeah, there's the problem right there guys. She is frickin' dicked. Alright, so we'll change that up. Got some new parts for here. So this is what I got. I got this little thing, whatever this piece is right here. I got a new O-ring for that. I got the new base plate right here. I got the new dowel. And then I have new bolts. Alright, so looks like a pretty easy build. Pop this thing off. I think just get this plate off, put it all back together, put a little grease. Once you're done. Alright, so a couple of the pieces in the impeller are just sitting down there. So there you go, yeah, that base plate just comes off. Easy peasy. There's dowel points, so you can't really mess it up. Alright, so let's get these OEM parts in. I'll put them in. Put this impeller back in, we'll put a little grease with it. Really is a pretty freaking basic job. To pull the lower off, super easy. There was 4 bolts. And then you just undo this little doohickey rod right here. Man, I could definitely be a boat mechanic. Alright, bottom plate's on. Now we're going to put in our keyway. Not forget that, because that is for all the alignment of the impeller. Boom. Just like that. Now we got our genuine Yamaha impeller. So when you look at this, you'll see your alignment holes right there. No alignment holes, so you can't really mess it up. It only goes one way. It is a nice soft rubber. So, Alright, 1 week later, I had to get another part. This is the cap that the water pump sits in. But as you can see, she's very melty. So, fortunately, Yamaha did not tell me I needed this part as well. So, got a new one. You can see a lot less melty. So now, we'll be putting in the proper parts. So this will go inside here. We got an O-ring. Alright, so it's all in. O-ring's in. Just put a bit of fresh grease. And then you'll see there's 2 dowel holes. You need to line up with those 2 dowel holes. One little tip I'm going to give to you guys is when you go to install this, you got to get the cap up over your impeller, and then you rotate this right, and you turn it as you push the cap down, and what that does, it kind of squishes that impeller in to give you that seal inside there. So there we go, we're all back together. Now just got to throw it up back on the boat and run it and make sure she's spitting some water out. Okay, tighten her up. Tighten her up, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Okay. No, now bring it back. Yeah. I gotta bring it all the way back. You wanna try again? Yeah. Go ahead. Go. Push this way. No, you gotta push this way. Oh. Good job. Alright, got the lower all bolted back on with those 4 bolts. And then there's a little shaft right here you gotta tighten up with 2 10mm. Alright, so gotta hook up the little pisser hose back to this little port. We're gonna hook the ears up right there. Gonna put some water through. Hopefully she's all ready to go. Alright, water's on. Fuel's hooked up. Let's choke on. We primed it with the primer bulb. So I think we are neutral, right? We're neutral. Alright, buddy. You ready? You little yammy's gonna fire. Every freaking time. Aha! Yes! Spitting water. looks like the boat is back in business. Like my good old friend Chuck would say, that's a Diagon repair.